Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a rear wiper blade on a Jaguar F-Pace. This easy method will save you time and effort. First, make sure your car is off and parked securely. You'll need your new wiper blade and a soft cloth to protect the window. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and quick. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, locate the small release tab on the wiper blade connector. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the arm's hook. It should come off with minimal resistance. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. This ensures it won't come loose during operation. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the rear window. Make sure it rests flat against the glass. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the window effectively. A clear view is crucial for safety. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your clear rear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.